Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix laptop speakers if it's crackling on Windows 11. All right. And it also have this background distortion, some kind of issue. Go ahead and right click on your sound icon right here at the bottom right. Now click on Open Sound Settings. Okay. In here, scroll down and find More Sound Settings. Find your speakers. Okay. Right click on it. Click on Disable. All right. Once disabled, right click on it and enable it. Once done, click on it. Click on Properties. Go to Enhancements. Make sure that you tick on Disable All Enhancements or untick every enhancements right here. All right. Hit on Apply. Go to Advanced. Untick Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device. Now click on this drop down right here. If you have studio quality selected, make sure that you try at least CD quality. And then just hit on Apply and test or play an audio in the background. All right. Now, if it's still crackling under CD quality, try to use a lower hertz under CD quality, or you have here any other lower qualities as well. All right. Just try everything and hit on Apply. Test, okay, and then once done, you should be good to go. All right, and if it's still crackling, just lower it down. Might be your speakers are already damaged. Lower it down, and if it still crackles or it got this annoying distortion, well, you might want to get your speakers fixed, or you can go ahead and buy an external speaker or just use an earbud or a headset. Okay, that is how you fix your laptop speakers. If it's crackling, it got this background distortion sound on your Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.